Hey everybody, it's the Handbag Hauler coming to you with a video today, and I am so excited. I am doing a video on a different type of bag. It's not a Dooney & Bourke. It's not a Coach. It's a Marc Jacobs bag. It's not the tote bag that we're all used to carrying, but this is a cute little crossbody that I picked up here in Orlando at the International Outlet Mall, and I'm so excited. The SA that I had, his name was Luke, as in Skywalker. And if anybody knows me, I am definitely a Star Wars fan. So if you're new to my channel, please hit that like and subscribe button and make sure that you tune in. Let's get into the bag. All right, here is the bag. It is so cute. The color is rose. It's a pink bag, and I know that Mono's Beauty may like this bag because I know she's into pink. So let's open this up, please. So here is the bag. It is so cute. Let's get that out of here. And here they have the little information tag here. So it was originally $375, but I picked it up for $180. So let's get into the bag. Let me start teasing y'all. So it is a magnetic closure. It's very, very soft. The leather is wonderful. I will put the description of the leather and all the features in the information box at the bottom of this video. And let's take all of this stuff off here. Let's get into the inside. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. I love Marc Jacobs their dust bags because they're so cute. I almost want to carry it as a little bag in itself, but that's not what we're here for. We're here to look at this bag. So I'm gonna just use this. So this is the inside of the bag. As you can see here, it has a little bit of organization. You have one slip pocket there. Oh, hey, hold on. Put that under there. Okay. So this is the inside. It has a slip pocket here and a zipper here. Here is the strap. So we're gonna go ahead and take this off the strap. All right, now that we got all that stuff off, here is the bag, and I love this Marc Jacobs strap. The wide guitar strap. It is adjustable. As you can see, it is such a cute bag. Now, let's see if my stuff will fit in the bag. I'm gonna, so I probably won't be able to fit all of my stuff in there. And yes, I'll have to carry my Coach wallet because I don't have a wallet to really go with this bag right now. So let's see. So I wasn't able to get everything in there, but I was able to get the things that I needed. I have this big old Coach key ring on here, so I could take that off, but I think I'll be fine once I close it. I'm gonna lay that flat like that, put that there, put that there, and close it. And it closed perfectly. Snapped. It's still tight. It's not gonna come open on me. Gotta tug it just a little bit. And let's look at it from the sides here. Oh, it's perfect. Look at that. It's no bulging or anything like that. So it works just fine, guys. So here it is. Here it is. And I was looking for the actual name of the bag, and I don't see it on this card here. But what I'll do, again, I'll leave it in the description box as to what this actually is. So let's see here. It's not on this tag. Nope, it just shows the color. So I'll put it in the description box. So I'll go find it on the website and do that. So go check it out if you're interested. It's very cute, very soft leather. I love the thick guitar strap. And hey, I'll send some mod shots later, or check me out on my Instagram, preferably my Lemonade account, and I'll leave those links in the bottom. So thank you guys again for joining me, and I hope that your holidays are going great, and I will see you on my next video. Take care.